You like Elvis Presley?
Of course. Who doesn't?
Who do we have here?
Elvis, this is Priscilla Bruglio.
What do you say maybe we go somewhere quiet?
Just what is the intent here, Mr. Presley? What you got? Women throwing themselves at you. Why my daughter?
I happen to be very fond of your daughter. Black hair and more eye makeup.
I don't know if I like it.
What do you mean you don't know if you like it?
He's not like you imagine. You know, there's a lot of rumors about you. Is there anything to it?
Now, I need a woman who understands that things like this might happen. Are you gonna be her or not?
Is there something you're hiding?
I don't have a goddamn thing to hide. You have everything a woman could want.
I want a life of my own.